Get into the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take life's challenges in stride in the fully capable Tahoe. Spacious and quiet, athletic and safe, it's a powerful ally awaiting your command. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, third row seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Escape to the calm, capable oasis of the Tahoe. Take it for a test drive.